right, man, but they gonna shut down the first spot the police did for the car meet today, so we had to make alternative stop. Look, police about to pull in right now, I guess, but man, we trying to get the city together. We trying to get them together, man, because it's about to be crazy tonight. As y'all can see, we deep. All right, we about to head out to a different location, man, because he just gonna stay here circling, so we about to figure it out, man. I'm just recording everything that happens on the way there. Hopefully we get some content. Spot already going crazy. Yes, sir, we about to get finally started. Hold on, what's up with it?
Oh my God, man. Some gas.
Mike, go! Thought we had him more. Alright, y'all, it's probably too dark. Y'all can't hear me, but we're trying to hurry up and figure out a spot to go to, man. The cops is acting crazy tonight. So stay tuned, man. Oh. We definitely getting crazy tonight, man. So like I said, stay tuned. I'm gonna see y'all when we cut the camera back on. Hey, look, bro, they about to pull my nigga E over for nothing.
Who is it?
Alright, bet. So the police, I guess, they gave us permission to go to a certain spot. Cause we had like the third, fourth spot of the night already, and they done followed us everywhere. But they just gave us a permission to go to a spot, so we about to head out there and check it out, see what it's hitting for, man. I'll see you guys when we get to the next spot. Boy going crazy already. As soon as we get to this spot. Yes, sir. Rocks hitting though. Them rocks is hitting. Yes, sir. Hold on, I see the lights. What the fuck? That's it. Too late. Okay, we got money. The first tire victim of the night falls to the Camaro, man. Fucked up his side skirt, though. Alright, dog the G5 then. What's that? Scat? I got some shit in my eye. What the fuck? It's another Jeep. Watch out, cause he dangerous damn near. I'm scared. I'm in danger. can't see shit. Alright, he done. Another tandem in. Hey, my nigga trying to come in and turn. Hey, he cut up. Damn, dude. Hey, this nigga acting a fool. Hold on, pause, bro. They gave us permission, bro. What are these niggas on, man? Bro, the police done capped us out. They done pulled up hella deep. I don't know what's going on now, so we about to have to figure it out. I'm out of breath, can't breathe. But all right, man, I'm gonna cut the camera off and I'll see you guys once we get to the next spot. I don't know what they are. Yo, what the fuck? They out here going crazy, bro. I'm trying to get some footage for y'all, man, for a video. But you hear this? Do you hear these niggas? This shit madness. Bro. All right, man, the next spot isn't too far up the street, man, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to get in here, get some footage of everybody going crazy before the cops pull up again. So just bear with me, man. I'm gonna cut the camera off. I'll see you guys here in a second. Okay, turn it up there, bro. police just rolled by. That's crazy. Don't smack me, though. That motherfucker looks so good. Ah, shit. Baby back. Ah, shit. Who they going after? Stupid. Look at him. Stupid. We got the little gas station takeover going. Oh, I'm about to bust my ass.
We here.
A little bit. It's whispering.
Mike. She coming, Mike. She coming. Come here.
They out here wildin', bro. These niggas funky, bro. They funky, man. The cops keep fucking with us, bro, so we don't know what we got planned for the rest of the night, man. But you know, we turn still. Just stay tuned. I guess.
Park that bitch! Park that motherfucker!
Man, what he do that quick? I didn't even get to see it.
Curb!
He hit the curb?
Park it!
Go ahead. You didn't embarrass yourself.
Why he just...
That motherfucker's at the fire station. What the fuck?
Oh, God, I just now realized that, bro. Hey, they got...
What the fuck y'all thought was gonna happen? Look! That's why niggas don't say fuck the fire department. Them niggas mind they business.
Oh, God. Come on, man. You gotta give it a little more gas than that. nigga scared.
That's gonna be me, dog.
Bro.
I swear to God, he ain't stopped since he.
That motherfucker.
Now look at Big Booty over here. I see that motherfucker all the way over here. Sideways. Snatch her again.
Hey, bro.
That's the metal nail.
Yeah, I think so. Hold on, bro, what the fuck, bro?
Hey, y'all acting bad. Like, what the fuck are y'all doing? Like,
Uh-oh, look, they calling in. Look, they on the radio. They on the radio. I can't stand these niggas, bro. I can't.
About to go out here and get caught by these fucking police up here.
Oh, I forgot the police down that way. Look at the sunfire, though. Got the... Hold on, watch out, Jay.
Damn, cuz.
Hey, he came flying. That's what I think it is. Look, there you go. Look, they gonna get bro with the doors. All right, y'all, man, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off here, man. And we done been ran around by the cops all night, bro, going like 5 hours straight. So we about to go ahead and call it a night, man. They gonna came and shut down the gas station. So if y'all enjoyed this video, man, I know it's probably about to be some wild police content, man. It's about, cause they was out here deep tonight, man. But I already know it's about to be lit. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, man. We're going crazy all 2022. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.